Good morning everyone, and also good morning my friend from Zambia. Today I do have my tutorial here, and I would like to share the tips and ideas which I used within this instrumental. So watch up to the end of this video to see the tricks and ideas I would like to share with you today. So without talking too much, these types of beat is mostly made there in Zambia with one of the famous singer who is called the General Canene. He sings too much these types of beat. So today we are going to explore the ideas beside all these types of instrumentals. So let us start with the drums, and we will see how the Zambian producers make their drums. After the drums, we will see also the melody. Everything here you will see as I enter in the melody sections. Here are the drums. Let us hear how they sound. These drums are very simple to make. As I always say in my tutorial, I like to take the old projects and remove the melodies and remain with the real drums because of the time. And after I drew this reed drum, I had to come here to and I chose and all of the plugins that I will be using here, they are free plugins, nothing to pay, nothing to download. Everything you need to do is to use your creativity, your ideas to create melodies and the coordination. Let us hear how this melody sound. This melody I had to, in the same melody, in the same plugin, I had to create another melody below here. It's very simple to do this melody, and after that I had to create the strings. The strings are the parts of the beat which they complete the empty space. For example, if you there are a lot of spaces here that he's supposed to be completed with melodies. So if you draw the strings will complete those little spaces that I show with you. And let us hear how these strings sound. I only copied this melody, and I had to come down here and paste them down here. Let us hear how they sound. Okay. They are very simple, and after that I had to copy the strings, and I had to paste them down here, and I chopped like this. Okay, and after that I had to create another melody here. Okay, after that I created another melody here, as I told you guys, this is this tutorial to show you the ideas which I used within this instrumental. So if you want for me to start from beginning, from zero, to explain you how to use this program and how to start the melodies, how to make the coordinations, I'm expecting from your answer, from your comment, to know if you really want for me to start doing other projects, explaining you how to make Zambian beats. And I did I created this melody. I think we just heard it. So there's another melody here. Okay, here I shows Canene Shishite, and I shows one of the preset which is called the straight. Let us hear how this melody sound. So here, let us hear also how the sound, the bass sound. Okay, it is very simple. This was the tutorial for today's video. If you want this type of a video for me to make for you, I will do that since you subscribe to my channel. So let us play the entire melodies which I've been showing you to hear how they sound in general. So guys, this was the tutorial for today's video. If you want this project, I will send you in WhatsApp. Just text me that I want that project to see how you did it. I will send it for free. Nothing to worry about. I will do that as soon as you test me. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial.